How to use the database of items. Do you often load the same goods? If so, you will want to save the work of entering them into our app and save them directly into the EasyCargo database. This database of cargo items can be found under the Cargo Items tab. In a clear table, you can find the dimensions, the weight, and the loading constraints. The search is facilitated by the option to filter by name, by the date of creation, or by author. Existing cargo items can be edited using the pen and paper icon or deleted by using the X icon. It is possible to add items to the loading table directly from the table. It is here where you can also add the name of the item, its dimensions, and any restrictions. However, there is a much more efficient way to use this database. The more efficient way is to import new items from an Excel file. This is similar to what we showed you in the video, importing cargo items from Microsoft Excel. The priority groups and the number of items do not get imported. Only the name, dimensions, and parameters of the cargo items are imported from the file. Both of these options will import items from Excel. This option will add new entries to the database, and this option deletes the existing items and replaces them with new ones. By clicking this button, you can add the saved cargo item directly to the load planning screen. When you're entering the name of a new item, the system automatically displays saved records as helpful suggestions. All you need to do is type just a few letters and then select the desired item from the drop-down list, or you can simply confirm it directly by pressing Enter. Next, simply input the exact quantity of items that need to be loaded. Then, by pressing the Enter key, you can proceed to enter the next item within the designated priority group. This database is another incredibly useful tool that will significantly streamline your work with the EasyCargo application. Thank you for watching. To learn more about the EasyCargo application, please watch our other videos.